Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening the Hotstar app or website and signing into the exact account that holds the Myspace item. Do this now because you cannot remove items from another profile. If you see multiple profiles, pick the correct one. Once signed in, make sure the app is updated and your connection is stable. This prevents errors while editing. Keep your credentials handy. If two-factor prompts appear, authenticate immediately so you can proceed without interruption. Next, navigate to your profile or account area and open Myspace, which may appear as watch list or saved items. You want to find the exact entry. If you have many saved items, use search or filters to isolate it quickly. Once located, tap the item to open details, then choose Edit or the three-dot menu to reveal management options. You do this because the delete control is tucked into item settings. So take a moment to finally select Remove or Delete and then confirm when the prompt appears. This permanently removes the Myspace entry from your Hotstar account. Once done, refresh the app or reload the page to verify the change and make sure the item no longer shows in your list. If the entry persists, clear app cache or sign out and back in. Sometimes a sync delay causes stale display. Troubleshooting tip: if deletion repeatedly fails, update the app and check account permissions. Then contact support with exact error messages.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.